Hi.
Hello.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time.
When it's over, so they say, I'll rent a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time.
Then forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, I can't stop, I wonder. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
Yeah!
I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
Alright, thank you.
Welcome.